Guess who made it to the beach?
You ready?
It's hot. Holy pickles.
It is hot out here. Stop! Keep it done. They got up to there. Then she goes back in.
The waves are pushing me back! 1, 2, 3, go!
Adriana! She's so mean. 1 minute. Bye, beach. I say it on my flip-flops. No, I didn't agree to sand in my flip-flops.
2 hours later.
Hello. It's been a while since Adriana last vlog, and I met up at the beach with her and came back to our house, and then Adriana showered for like 20,000 years. It was literally an hour. And now we're going to Weston's game, and I really wanted a sweatshirt because I might get chilly. I didn't have one. So I'm wearing Adriana's, representing the pickle. I'm gonna drive Jacqueline and my mom to Weston's baseball game. We'll see you guys when we get there. Prom?
Papa!
Aww. Come on, Weston. Lord and Savior! Gonna have. Whoa! Good job. Like little robot.
Popcorn!
She ate it. Grandma ate it. Do you want me to buy you another one?
Grandma ate it. It was so delicious.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great job. You hit that ball like a slamming.
Good job, buddy. Ready?
Not bad.
Ah, the blanket.
Whoa!
Elena, don't puke.
I got dizzy.
Are you dizzy? No. Hi guys, so we just got back from Weston's baseball game, and right now I'm currently in the living room watching He's Just Not That Into You. I think I'm gonna just chill for the rest of the night, so I will see you guys sometime tomorrow. Alina, where are we gonna be going?
The big top.
What's that?
Ice cream place.
So we just got our ice cream. Alina and I both got Superman. Weston, what did you get? Hi, Tristan.
It tastes just like a lemon cheesecake.
Cool. Sissy, what did you get?
Pirate's Bounty.
Wally, what did you get?
With
Shipwreck.
M&M's.
Ooh.
20 minutes later.
Gun doesn't go pew pew. What? I'm pretty sure that thing doesn't go pew pew.
This is super cool. I wonder who that is. Like, I think it's someone that used to live in our town. Yep. We're heading over by the lake.
That's just bizarre, all those pelicans. Isn't it?
It's weird.
It opens up to... Kind of opens up to just this. Yeah, there's a lot of water over there.
Before, we walked on all of the rocks, and now we are over here, and we have to get past those pelicans. This should be interesting.
This was not a good idea.
It was. We put a little adventure in
Yes, we did.
It was fine. I mean, you know,
That's only because we're not wearing shit.
next time we're not taping this. Taping that. That was fun though, wasn't it?
We're almost there. Isn't this so pretty, Elena?
Okay. Daddy, you gonna carry Kate? Elena, hold my hand. We're gonna go down.
We're gonna go up it?
Up and
You walk around the bottom and the front, you can walk out and down there.
No?
Is she coming?
Far enough.
Where is she?
Over here, Mom. It's no scarier. No.
I like to already shake you right here. Can't do it.
Come here. Come here. It's nice.
It's nice! Even your 7-year-old grandson says it's nice!
Big pansy even.
How was it?
It's okay. It's adventure.
It's so pretty. Goodbye! It's been fun, right, Mom?
Yep. Got some cool shells. Ooh. With God knows what else.
Now we are going home.
How's Grandma's here? Huh? You comb my hair? How about a curler? Doink, doink.
Oh, I'll get some more of those ice cream.
I'm a big girl. Doink, doink.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. If you guys like this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.